Hello, Mzansi. It's Akazukal. There have been a lot of mixed emotions on social media after Khaolo's father, the man who lost his daughter at Dubai Tavern, speaking about the heartbreaking case of the two Mamelodi cousins, Baliseng and Tiamo. In his video, he mentioned how painful it is to lose a child and reminded people that life is fragile. But his message did not sit well with everyone because of his line. He likes to say, Strata sepaleche maspala, wena utla siderang. Some people felt that he was being insensitive for comparing what happened to his daughter to what happened to the Mamelodi girls. Now, seeing another case of young women losing their lives under mysterious circumstances, it's no surprise that it reopens old scars. At the end of the day, Mzansi, pain is pain, whether it's Kgaugelo, Tiamo, or Baliseng. These young souls with dreams, laughter, and future ahead of them. What can we ask for? It's justice and respect for their families while they're still mourning. At the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.
Ai. Thabiso wa rasetsa o bolela ka mathutao this and that ngwana kwa e re bulele Thabiso chapter 1 verse 15 strata spaletse masipala ke re ke le nwele pilisi mathutao ke Monday morning ya ke na ARV e phoma HIV mathutao strata spaletse masipala di 70s and 80s bo febe ntse bo le teng na ba bola ke AIDS not kore ba yo bolaiwa or ba ire na ba bola ke AIDS lena bana ba banyane ba letlang next year Pitori 012 Belekan baby rara le nkutlwelle le utlwile another two ka mo Mamelodi ba bolaile ka mo Mahube bana ba le monate bana ba kwae ka bona le dilo tse le pallang go di afford go no Aestropesa staba tsa re o nna le modimo go stilong and wa itse go botlhoko bola ke thaka ya papa hao because bona ba palletse ma 80s le ma 70s ba bangwe ba shianela go baneng ba banyane motho o fila ka re ko monyane ka the age of 40 something ha sa itse lo re le ngwana ke eng mathuta o ba letla next year le tla Pitori le to tsena di TUT di ka khawana le banna motho lo palletse batho ba bantši wena strato ka sesikone ngwana kwa yona Aestropesa se bo slay queen o no bjala ba 180 wa bo 1 o tlo bona yena dimana o rekelang bona man ha hona monna o tlo rekelang bjala senya go namela o itse ra o tsena ka Pitori ngwana kwa lena ba letla next di TUT di Pretoria University le ambo vetse le tlang Gauteng ngwana kwa khawana le nto pallang go e afford khawana le di level tse o pallang go di afford khawana le PF khawana le meriri khawana le manana slay queen is feletse ka kanyeng bao the rest ke maratha a shiba ba bang batletse ba wela Pitori ba bang ba rekisa mmele online mo di university ba tswela le bontate ka dintwa bontate ba le ba usuna ka dintwa di nwa metsi ba meriri e metshweu wena o re o tla skona strata ngwana kwa o ka se skone iputsisa why ma wa sanyalwa la o sia wa sanyala a le bisa ntsa rathella bana a namela taxi ka letsatsi la sasa wena o nana re ka jelo ya beautiful ta khona strata re go botse